Good morning everyone! It's our second day here in Bohol. So for today, i-check natin yung breakfast buffet nila and then let's go around the resort para makita natin yung amenities ng Henan Alona. See you later! Okay, so dito sa Henan Alona, merong two locations for breakfast. The Coral Cafe and then yung Sea Breeze sa beachfront. Yung Coral Cafe, open siya from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then yung Sea Breeze is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So, check na muna natin dito sa Coral Cafe yung breakfast nila. Okay, so pagpasok mo, andito yung drink station nila like hot milk, chocolate, and brewed coffee. And then, tingnan natin yung spread nila. So, ayan, dilis, danggit, sapsap. They have ham, bacon, at ano to, potatoes, I think, waffle, pancake, and French toast. And then, dito naman yung noodles station nila. And what's this? Siopaw and siomai. Here they have different oats, pudding, smoothie, and yogurt. Tapos here they have crepe. Bread station na yung banda rito and iba't ibang spreads. Ayan. And what's this? Chocolate croissant, plain croissant, different types of danishes, white bread, and wheat bread. And then they have scrambled egg, quiche, and puro eggs, omelette. Pwede ka rin magpagawa. Customized omelette. Tapos, ayun yung different ingredients. This one is congee. And ang famous champorado ng Henan. Ang sarap talaga ng champorado nila. And then white rice. There's garlic rice and sotanghon. What's this? Cabbage in gochujang. And then cream dory fillet in teriyaki sauce. Homemade meatloaf and an apple relish. And sausage. That's chicken sausage. Tapos, meron din pork patty with onion sauce. And ito naman is bread pudding. Cassava cake and biko. Okay, they have pineapple juice, melon cucumber, and orange juice. And then, dito naman is fruits. And then, different types of cheese. and cold cuts. And gimbap. They have kimchi pancake, vegetable pancake, kimchi of course, and ayun, salad station na dun. And ito yung different types of dressings. And yan, may mga mixed nuts, dried papaya, mango, pineapple, different types of infused honey. Tapos, they have cereals. Ayan, okay, so that's it for the Coral Cafe. Okay, ito na yung breakfast natin. We got bacon, ham, quiche, egg, and then banh mi noodles, sausage, fish fillet, and garlic rice. Tapos, their champorado. Kain na tayo! Okay. Siyempre, ang bacon. Good talaga bacon nila, baby, no? Kaso dito sa Henan, ang bacon nila, isang type lang ng luto. Yung ano lang, crispy. And then this is their ham. Sarap. Ano siya? Soaked in pineapple sauce. And then there's their quiche. I don't like it. Parang torta na... Oo. Parang torta na lipas na. Sausage. Masarap yung, chicken sausage nila. And then, the noodles. Nakita mo itong noodles? Banh mi noodles. Oh, masarap. Masarap. Oh my God, sobrang sarap nun. Para siyang canton ng next level kasi mas marami siyang ingredients tapos may konting kick ng anghang. Ito yung cream dory and garlic sauce. Ay, teriyaki sauce pala. Sarap din. How's your breakfast, Cheryl? Good? How about you, Daddy? Sarap? Panalo na agad kasi may, danggit?
Danggit. Ako ibang klase tayo.
Okay, so tapos na tayo mag-breakfast. Now, let's walk around the resort para magkaroon kayo ng idea how it looks like, ano yung mga amenities, and ano pa yung mga pwedeng ibang magawa rito. So, let's start dito sa entrance nila. Ito yung pinaka lobby area nila. So, pagdating nyo, dito sa left, dun kayo mag-check-in. And then, itong stairs, it's going to Coral Cafe. Diyan tayo nag-breakfast kanina. And then, they have a mini shop here. Check natin kung ano yung mga mabibili. Hello, good morning. Ayun pala, meron dito mga snacks. And mga accessories, wallets. Dito pala eh. So kung hindi ka makakapunta ng 7-Eleven, pwede na rito. They have mga shirt. Ayan, they have toiletries. And then, may mga sunblock din sila rito. Souvenirs. Uy, ang cute naman ito. 8,250. Buti na lang, nasa gilid tong shop na to. Kundi, yari na naman kay Cyril. Ayan, if you forgot your sunglasses, meron din. And what are these? Rash guard, I think. And goggles. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go to the beachfront and let's see kung ano pa yung madadaanan natin outside. Ang daming Koreans. I think they're going on a tour. Yan. So, dito paglabas mo, ito na yung isang pool. Mga koi fish sila doon. Tapos, may bar doon. And then, ito rin, may isa pang pool dito. Ang daming pools. Medyo nang hinayang ako. Meron namang gantong area. Although, malapit nga sa lobby, maingay. Yun lang talaga yung namin eh. Parang concern namin kapag naka-direct access sa pool. Minsan medyo maingay. So yan. And then, there's another pool here. Hindi ka mauubusan ng space sa pool. Napakadami. Ayan. Meron pa rito. Tapos meron din mga parang small pools na ganyan. Tapos, over there, pag lumakad ka rito sa walkway na to, yan yung mga villa nila. Hindi ko na-check magkano yung mga villa nila, pero siguro maganda rin itry yun next time. Ayan, another small pool. Sige, punta tayo sa beachfront. Okay, yung gym and fitness center, dito siya. Bababa. Let's check it out. Pag maraming tao, hindi na tayo papasok ha. Okay, mukhang konti lang naman. So let's just try to check it out. Hello po. Good morning. Ayan. Let's just take a quick glance. Alright. So that's it for the gym. Okay. Dito naman, ayan, straight ahead is Christina's Restaurant. Tapos, tama, mga villa din pala yun nandito. Ayan. Okay. Lakad tayo. O, di ba? Ang ganda nung lalakaran nyo rito. Okay. Dito yung spa nila. Hindi tayo papasok kasi I think napakita ko na kagabi yung list nung what do you call this, services nila. Tapos dito sa other side na to, meron ding pool. Kaso close siya ngayon. It's under treatment. Pero maganda rin yung pool area dito. Ito yung Christina's Pool. So, only for 16 years old and above. Yan. Tapos may bar din doon. Kaso sarado pa. And ito parang events place. So, kung may event ka, pwede dyan. And then, ito rin yung napakita ko na kagabi. This is their, no, it's not the main pool, but it's, actually, oo, ito na yung main pool. Kala ko isang baba pa. So, yan, ang ganda. Lakad nga tayo sa gitna. Tingnan natin kung may tagos hanggang doon. Pero yan. Ang ganda, di ba? Konti pa lang yung tao siguro. Because it's still early. Nasa mga rooms pa sila or nagbe-breakfast. And then most of the holiday goers, maya-maya pa siguro. Ayan. Ang galing, nakatawid nga tayo, may daan. So, nung pandemic, I think ito lang yung pool na bukas eh. Tapos, isa sa taas pala. Ang dami nilang beach bed, so hindi magkakaubusan. Ito pa. They also have another pool here. Ayan. Tapos dun sa other side yung toilets and shower. O, di ba? Napakadami. Hindi ka mauubusan ng paglalango yan. Yan. Lakad pa tayo rito. Tingnan natin kung may daan dun sa pababa. Dito. Okay. Ito na. May daan nga. Ito na yung pinaka beachfront nila. Good morning po. Wow. That's the beachfront of Henan. Ito na rin pala yung bago nila. Katabi lang. Yung Henan Premier Coast. Ayan. So, yeah. For Henan Alona Beach, ito siya. Okay, so balik na tayo. Dito yung beach bar nila. And it's Halloween, kaya yan yung theme nila ngayon. And daan lang tayo dun sa Sea Breeze. Okay, dito naman yung Sea Breeze Cafe nila. Di na tayo papasok kasi patapos na rin yung breakfast nila. Pero one of these days, try natin, or na-try na namin yun, pero we'll do it again, yung dinner buffet nila dyan. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. Nalipot na natin yung harap lang ha, yung likod. Wala naman ganong makikita doon, puro buildings lang siya. Okay, we're back in the room. That's it for our resort tour. Hopefully, nagkaroon kayo ng idea about the amenities of Henan Resort Alona Beach, kung ito ba yung tamang resort for you, and if you like what you saw. So yun lang, we'll see you later!